All right, so let's go ahead and open this goodie box that she sent me. I actually kept it wrapped because this is how she sells it on her shop as well. So here it is. How pretty is this packaging? I mean, that's part of the reason why I couldn't unwrap it for you guys. But we're just gonna go ahead and open this. I'm so excited. And so she told me she has in the mini size, which is what this box is, and then she has a standard size as well, which just includes a few additional products and then the larger versions of what's in here as well. All right, let's keep on going. So this is exactly what I'm going to be giving away today. So, how exciting. I feel like this is like a little journey to Germany. Okay, so we have I didn't get to share what all came in the Love German Food German Christmas mini box with you guys yesterday because my video just decided to quit on me. So I just wanted to real quick show you what all comes with it. So Wandbreinbohnen is the first thing. So these are brandy filled chocolate beans, and I did get a chance since yesterday to open them too and show you what they look like. And I'm gonna bite into one so you can see what the inside looks like. So they have like a liquid filling. So good. Oh gosh. I love these. And then we also have some German chocolates right here. Put this over to the side so I can talk again. Some German chocolates, of course. Then we have these gingerbread pieces, and they're a little bit of a specialty, so not really glazed, very thin glaze with an almond on there. And I think they're more spiced than these glazed gingerbreads. So these are glazed with sugar on one side and chocolate on the other side, and they're a little bit more moist, I would say. And then we have this Marzipanstollen, which is just a mini version of a regular sized Stollen. And if you don't know Stollen, it's a German fruit bread that's coated in powdered sugar. So you guys have a little bit more time to enter, so make sure you do that. And if you want to, you can go ahead and buy this set of German goodies that already comes gift wrapped at lovegermanfood.com.